Did you know that a lost case, or even a completely derailed negotiation, can sometimes be traced back to a simple, stressful commute? It sounds crazy, but it's true. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into exactly how Connecticut's top law firms handle their high-stakes ground transportation to make absolutely sure that never happens to them.
The crucial point to understand right out of the gate is this. Your client's perception, and honestly, the integrity of a whole case, actually begins in the backseat of a car. The legal world operates on incredibly strict timelines, right? And of course, absolute discretion. Just think about it. A missed court appearance up in Hartford, or worse, an overheard phone call on the way to New Haven. That can irreparably damage a case. And let's be real, it can completely tank your firm's reputation too.
So, trying to handle all this travel logistics in-house? It is a massive headache. Relying on internal coordination creates literal scheduling nightmares, big liability concerns, and just a massive administrative burden for your staff. But when you outsource the Absolute Transportation, which is a premium service based right in North Haven, it completely flips the script. Instead of the stress, you get dedicated account management, full DOT compliance, priority dispatch, and literally zero friction for your attorneys. And here's something really important. Attorney-client privilege shouldn't just stop at your office door. Absolute basically redefines transit confidentiality. They use rigorously vetted, background-check chauffeurs who operate under the strictest privacy protocols imaginable. We're talking absolute silence on their end. They never discuss case details or anything they might overhear. It ensures your sensitive information remains strictly protected, which, is an absolute necessity for any high-profile legal matter. Plus, instead of bleeding billable hours while sitting there stressed out in I-95 traffic, you actually get to transform your commute into this highly productive rolling office. The cars come fully equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, USB charging ports, complimentary bottled water, and a super quiet, climate-controlled cabin. So you or your clients can easily prep for meetings, review case materials, or just make those critical phone calls without a single interruption. It's a real game changer.
And this all translates into incredibly seamless logistics across the entire tri-state region. Let's say, step 1 is a stress-free pickup for an important out-of-state client flying into JFK, Newark, or Bradley International. Then step 2, that's a smooth, productive ride straight to a client meeting at your Stamford or Greenwich office. And finally, step 3 guarantees a punctual, totally composed arrival at the courthouse, whether you're heading to Hartford, Bridgeport, or New Haven.
So, the big takeaway here is their unbeatable reliability. They call it the absolute advantage, and it's easy to see why. They offer true 24/7, 365 dispatch and service, so they're always ready to handle those urgent, last-minute requests. They use real-time flight tracking, meaning they're literally waiting for you the second you land. The chauffeurs are all uniformed professionals, and crucially, they offer flat-rate pricing with absolutely zero surge fees. That gives your firm total budget predictability with absolutely no surprises. Ultimately, if you want to eliminate that transportation friction, protect your client's privacy, and really elevate your firm's professional image, you need a partner you can actually trust. So, head over to absolute-transportation.com or just call their dispatch team today to book a package tailored specifically for your firm. I'll leave you with this to think about. If your case depends on total focus and absolute discretion, well, shouldn't your commute provide the exact same thing?